It all began when I was in school. So I was born fat, okay? Like I was this very chubby child, and I guess my mom has told me my birth story where she's said ki I was born gol matol, like I was born like a big fat potato, and I was kind of overweight as well. I was close to 3.5 kgs something. Like I was really a thing, okay? But I was cute, yeah, nevertheless of that. This, I think there was this point in my life where I did had lost weight, where I was lean, okay? I think when I was like around 2 or 3 years old, there are certain pictures of mine where I am myself shocked कि मैं पतली कैसे हूँ. And then there is another phase in my life, I guess my teenage phase, where I think for 1 year or something I look like I've gotten some disease, because there is this little picture, family picture, where I am looking very, very tall and very lean, and it's crazy, okay? So, it just boggles my mind कि ये क्या हो गया मुझे. And I look very sick, and I look like I've gotten some malaria or something because I'm really unrecognizable there, and I look very tall because patli thi. So the people around me never made me feel even for a minute that I was different from others, or I wasn't I wasn't fitting right into the boxes of standard of typical body standards or beauty standards that the world imposes on people, on students and children and everything, and adults basically. So nobody ever made me feel like that, not even my parents. But so therefore I was very happy. I was very happy in my skin. I was a happy child, bubbly child, chirpy child, everything. I was literally a boss. My mom says you really were a bossy kid. You know, used to tell people, "Dharao, wo karo, ye karo." You were a savage kid ever since you were born. So everything changed once I got into school. Okay, so school mein obviously when I look at my school pictures and everything, there is this one chubby kid in the front row, because obviously I'm small. So front seat में मेरे को बिठाते थे class photographs में and all, and I'm very fat and everything. So it all began I guess around when I was in 8th standard, I think 6th, 7th, 8th standard, that phase. Okay, so we used to travel by auto. ऑटो वेयर हमारे स्कूल की एक टीचर भी जाती थी, एंड मेरे मतलब कुछ सेम स्कूल के लोग जाते थे, बच्चे जाते थे, ट्रैवल करते थे, बिकॉज आई यूज़ टू लिव इन अ वेरी फार अवे प्लेस फ्रॉम माई स्कूल. तो वहाँ से जाने के लिए वी हैड टू टेक ऑटो. Now what happened was, during that journey there was this guy, I obviously won't take his name, you know, for his own sake. um, he was my senior in school. I guess he was in some 10th or 11th. I was in my 7th or 8th. I don't remember much कितना कौन सा एज था, whatever. Oh, there's this मच्छर here. Okay, so that boy used to bully me a lot. So that was my first incident of bullying that I could very vividly remember, because every day आने जाने में जो एक जर्नी होता था, यूजली वापस आते वक्त, घर आते वक्त, बिकॉज उस वक्त में पहले टीचर को छोड़ देते थे. लाइक जो गाड़ी में जो टीचर है उनको हम पहले छोड़ के बाकी फिर हम सब बच्चों को छोड़ते थे, मतलब ड्रॉप करते थे घर पे. तो दिस बॉय यूज टू बुली मी like crazy. Okay, I don't think he knows कि वो बुली कर रहा था उस वक्त में, या जानबूझ के कर रहा है, या सिख मेंटालिटी की वजह से कर रहा है, क्यों कर रहा है, आई डोंट थिंक ही रिमेंबर्स इवन. आई डोंट थिंक उसको रियलाइजेशन भी हुआ होगा, राइट. एंड टू एन एक्सटेंट दैट इंसिडेंट चेंज माई लाइफ. लाइक हर दिन मुझे मोटी, ओ ये देखो ये लड़की आ गई, कैसी है, सांड लग रही है, भैंस लग रही है, यू नो, शी लुक्स लाइक अ एनिमल, शी लुक्स लाइक एन ऑक्स. That's what I hope that means when you literally translate into Hindi, English, for people who can't understand Hindi. all that words he used to say. And when he used to say that, that was not the problem कि वो कह रहा है ये सब. The problem is when the people around him, all the kids, start laughing at his words. Oh, he said something, so let's laugh, ha 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 ha, let's make fun of Jemima because she's fat. That used to affect me. And not people of my age. Those were little kids who used to laugh at me, including my own brother who was, we have like 6 years age difference, so yeah, of course. उसको भी पता नहीं था हो क्या रहा था, तो वो भी हंसता रहता था उन सबके साथ. That used to prick me. Every day I used to come from school like this, swollen face, with a swollen face. Of course, I was swollen plus ऊपर से double swollen face, and I used to feel very ugly, inside, that okay, maybe I'm not worth for this world. Nobody loves me, nobody cares about me, and I had nobody to talk about this. My parents were busy, and I had grandparents at home, but उनको कौन क्या बताएगा ऐसी चीज़ों को, मतलब nobody discusses all of that. So I just kept, and I have a habit of keeping things to myself because I had no one. So only me and my God knows what happened those in those years, of that teenage phase. It was a very hard phase. It was a very depressing phase. Maybe someday I would talk about it in some stage, I guess so. Because I am a person who can't keep things to myself. I feel one day I have to die. So just why not say whatever I have in my heart rather than dying with a very heavy, patthar dil, It's just better to let go of all of those energies and emotions and thoughts and whatever it's there in your heart, and then just die. That's the best thing. ये सब रख के हिडन रख कर जाकर क्या फ़ायदा. जो है बोल कर ख़त्म कर कर जाओ. That is my funda. So I think that's what I'm trying to do with this platform and all the other platforms that I have. And if people have problem with that, and I don't think I have anything to do with them. Anyways, coming back to the point. So this used to keep happening again and again. It was ongoing. Every day he used to bully me, fat shame me, body shame me. वो भी हंसता था, ड्राइवर भी हंसता था, सब लोग हंसते थे. One day I was so tired of it. I was bloody tired of it, and I came home and I told my parents, मुझे स्कूल नहीं जाना है. I am not going to school. सब मेरा मजाक उड़ाते हैं, सब मुझ पे हंसते हैं, मैं नहीं जाऊँगी स्कूल. Imagine a, let's say 11, 12, 13-year-old child coming to home and saying this with fat tears in her eyes, in her or his eyes. It is a scene that will break your heart if you have a heart. I know that's hard, but yeah, that much pain, that much heartbreak at a very young age, when you don't even know what's happening. That was a very clueless phase in your life, especially for a child who's as lost as me. Dunya kya hai, I was just discovering, and suddenly it just collapses. It feels, everybody's laughing at you, people are just pointing fingers at you just because you have a bit more of weight than them. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो लोग बहुत पतले और मॉडल टाइप के लोग हैं. वो खुद मोटा था. इफ़ आई हैव टू से इन हिज ओन वर्ड्स, वो खुद मोटा था. उसका भाई उससे ज़्यादा मोटा था. लेट मी जस्ट से दैट, एंड आई डोंट वांट टू से बैड थिंग्स बिकॉज लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट, इट वाज अ किड. उसका खुद का भाई मेरे एज का था, एंड ही वॉज इन इवन चबियर किड. Okay, I'll be more decent than him. But he had to target all his, I guess, insecurities and his bad day thoughts on me. I was the target of it. I was a victim of it. And I remember my mother was very shocked. She was like, what happened to you? Why are you saying all of this? It's okay, it will pass away. ऐसा नहीं बोलते. Of course यार, स्कूल है ना बेटा, स्कूल में रैगिंग वैगिंग सब चलता है. कॉलेज में जाओगे अभी तो और होगा तुम्हारे साथ. तो यू हैव टू बी स्ट्रॉन्ग. यू कांट टेक थिंग्स एक कान से सुनो दूसरे कान से हटो. व्हाट एवरीबडी से सेम थिंग. सो लॉन्ग स्टोरी कट शॉर्ट, you have to understand that what I went through, or a lot of you who might be able to resonate with this, who might be able to relate with what I just shared with you guys today. ये बहुत जगह पे होता है, and everybody chooses to be mum about it, like they choose to stay silent on a lot of other things that happens in our lives, just because society accepts us to shut up. वो पहले हम पे कीचड़ उखाड़ते, पहले हमको बुरा भला कहते हैं, पहले हमें इतना वीक बना देते हैं, इतना वल्नरेबल बना देते हैं, They break us, they smash us, and then they expect us to be silent about it. And then they tell us to not do anything about it. And then they make us so weak that we can't even ourselves, I don't know, we can't ourselves reflect on what has happened in our lives. This is what the society is all about, where we all live, not just me, everybody lives. Okay, people make fun of you because of your skin color, because you're brown, because you're black, because you're not white. The typical um, superior skin color that I don't know who has invented, because apparently God had invented man. Sorry, he discovered, sorry, molded man, made man from the dust, like मिट्टी से बनाया है. Bible says, इंसान को God had made in his own likeness, अपने स्वरूप में बनाया है. If you have to speak in Hindi, in his own likeness. And if God thought of us worthy enough to be made in his likeness, I don't know who these people are who are trying to uh, make us feel inferior, make us feel ugly, make us feel unwanted. I don't know who these people are, because let's admit it, God made us. We didn't come from apes, okay? Of people who are scientific nerds, I do not believe I came from a bandar. I'm sorry, I didn't came from a bandar. I mean, bandars are very interesting creatures, let's admit that, but I didn't came from apes, okay? God made me, first of all. And that is for another video, where I'll be talking about ways where you could actually up your self confidence. That would be a very interesting video again, I guess. But if God thinks of you as something, as somebody who's very valuable, who's precious, who's beautiful, who's intelligent, and who's worthy enough to worship him, worthy enough to be his children, be the children of his inheritance, if he thinks of you as his child, if you are God's child, then किसी की बाप का कुछ नहीं जाता. Like, nobody has the right to tell you otherwise anything. Okay, तुम्हारा रंग जैसा भी हो, तुम काले हो, गोरे हो, भोले हो, जैसे भी हो, you are precious. Okay. And उस वक्त में जब उस इंसान ने मुझे इतना सब कुछ सुनाया and everything, now when I look back at the journey that I had, actually the 20 years of my life was a very no I had a very existential crisis, sort of a phase where I didn't know who I was. It's now that I'm starting to live. It's now that I'm starting to discover myself. That is why I'm doing all this stuff, because I am on the journey of an internal discovery. I'm discovering who I am, why I am, and a lot of other stuff that a lot of people can, I guess, relate to. A lot of adults can relate to. अब जब मैं मुड़ के देखती हूँ, तब मुझे लगता है कि okay, what happened with me that few years back, a couple of years back, all the body shaming, all the शादियों में जाते हैं, ओ तुम्हारी बेटी फिर मोटी हो गई, क्या खाती है. तो मुझे कुछ लोग, मेरे स्कूल के मेरे फ्रेंड्स कहते थे, बोला करना वापस, खाते पीते खानदान के हम, हमारा बाप अच्छा कमाता है. अच्छा कमाने मतलब तो भी हमारे घर में अच्छा खाना बनता है, तुम्हारे घर में नहीं बनता होगा, हमारे घर में बनता है, ठीक है, ऐसे बोला करके. तो या आई मीन दोज आर थिंग्स दैट पीपल से जस्ट टू मन हल्का करने के लिए, लोग थोड़ा हेल्प करने के लिए बोलते हैं, ऑल दैट. बट व्हेन आई लुक बैक एट दोज डेज, I realize that I am actually grateful for all that, because especially for the guy who bullied me. Now you'll ask why. Because that's like very wait, that sounds like a hypocritical statement. Why are you grateful for the guy who bullied you? Because had he not bullied me, had he not broken my self confidence, had he not crumbled uh, my inner power, inner willpower, inner thought process, then I don't think I would have been half the woman, half the person, half the human that I am today, that I am proud to be standing as today. I think I am in my best phase right now, in terms of my personality, of the person that I am unfolding into, and that has a lot to do with what I had endured. Okay, I guess everybody is like that. What you endured is what will make you in the future. Is that's what gonna mold you. That's what gonna, कहते हैं ना, जैसे एक it's gonna purify you, like you purify metal, you know, through fire. You know, you have to go through fire to actually be purified, like a gold, you know. So I guess what I went through has actually helped me to be what I am today. So if today I ever get to meet that person, I think I'm just gonna go to him. I actually want to meet him once at least in my life, because I actually haven't gotten the chance, fortune to cross paths with that महान आत्मा. कभी मिल नहीं पाई मैं उससे, बट उसका एक्चुअली अता पता भी नहीं है मुझे. आई डोंट थिंक वी आर फॉलोइंग ईच अदर ऑन एनी सोशल मीडिया एज वेल. I don't even know where he is or where his family is. Like at one point, his family were friends with us, but I would love to meet him one day and just let him know that it's because of him in a way that I am a very confident person today, that nothing can actually break me today, nobody can shake my foundation today, and that I am a very confident woman. I am confident of who I am. I'm confident of my skin color. I'm confident of my body. I'm confident the way I am, and I don't get even jealous when other people are slim and whatever standards people have put up into. I don't even get jealous today. Like I am at this phase. I am at the best phase in my life, personality wise, happiness wise, internal happiness wise, because I am just content with who I am. This is who I am. This is who God has made me into, and I'm absolutely 100% proud of it. Proud of it. Like hands down, I'm proud of it. एंड whoever was listening to me, if you're fat, if you're बहुत ज़्यादा ही पतला, लोग कहते होंगे एक फूक मार के तो उड़ जाएगी. यू नो, पतले लोगों को भी लोग सुनाते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है जस्ट बॉडी शेमिंग इज़ फॉर पीपल हु आर वेरी फैट एंड ओबीज. नो, इट्स फॉर अदर्स ऑल्सो who are very too slim and too thin according to the typical standards, and you know, उनको भी लोग सुनाते हैं. ऐसी बात नहीं है. And there are a lot of things that people make fun of. It's not just body weight. There are a lot of other things, your facial features and a lot of other things, you know. ऑफ कोर्स इन आवर ओन लाइफ हमने भी कभी ना कभी किसी का मजाक उड़ाया होगा, जान पूछ के या अनजाने में एंड ऑल दैट. But given all of that, I think if you're listening to me right now and you feel that you've also gone through this particular journey where you've been bullied by people, children of your age, family members, relatives, दुनिया भर के बकवास लोग, then you have to remember that इट्स ओके, लेट देम बी. आज उनका दिन है, कल तुम्हारा दिन आएगा. एक दिन ऐसा आएगा जहाँ पे तुम इतने कॉन्फिडेंट होंगे, जहाँ पे तुम सच में सर उठा के चल सकते हो, नो मैटर वॉट योर शेप ऑफ, नो मैटर वॉट शेप ऑफ योर बॉडी इज इट. यू नो, तुम जैसे भी हो, तुम खुश रहोगे, तुम इस देश को, इस दुनिया को कुछ वापस दे पाओगे. तुम अपने पेरेंट्स को प्राउड कर सकते हो, तुम अपनी फैमिली के साथ खुश हो, तुम अपने फ्रेंड्स के लिए कुछ बन सकते हो, तुम अपने भगवान के लिए, फॉर गॉड, इफ़ यू कैन डू समथिंग फॉर हिम, इफ़ यू आर मेकिंग हिम प्राउड, देन दैट्स इट. नन ऑफ दिस बाहर का शोर शराबा मैटर्स. Let them, they are sure, they are noise for a reason. Noise are unwanted voices. Let them bark. Having said that, I would also not glorify ओबेसिटी, बिकॉज ओबेसिटी इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम. उसके वजह से काफ़ी और ज़्यादा साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स भी आपकी लाइफ में हो सकते हैं, लाइक हार्ट अटैक्स, कोलेस्ट्रोल, दिस दैट, हार्मोनल प्रॉब्लम्स. फॉर विमेन और भी बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकते हैं, यू नो, लाइक प्रेगनेंसी में के टाइम पे, पीरियड्स, बहुत यू नो, इंटरप्टेड पीरियड्स जो कभी कभी आए तो कभी ना आए, ऐसे ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स है. इट्स अ रियल डील, ओके, इट्स अ रियल इशू, ओके. एंड इंडिया, आई गेस, इज अहेड ऑफ इट, एंड अमेरिका इज अहेड ऑफ दिस, एंड ओबेसिटी इज एवरीवेयर. सो इट इज़ अ रियल डील, इट इज़ अ रियल इशू. आई एम नॉट हियर टू ग्लोरीफाई ओबेसिटी. मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि और मोटे हो जाओ और खाते जाओ, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वॉट मैटर्स इज हेल्थ. बिकॉज आपके पास हेल्थ नहीं है तो आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं है, यू नो. आई थिंक आई एम ऑल्सो वन ऑफ दोज पीपल जो छोटा सा भी बीमार हो जाता है तो हु टेक्स इट सीरियसली, यू नो, who actually lies down and then cranks about it the entire week and everything, and then everybody starts caring for me, because I feel that's the only time where everyone is so scared for you and they want you to be well and everything. So I'm just one of those people जो बहुत जल्दी वीक पड़ जाता है when it comes to बीमारी and everything, you know. छोटी सी जुकाम भी आ जाए, खांसी भी आ जाए तो. But having said that, taking care of your health is very important. Of course, I am at a phase, yes, where I am confident about my skin, but at some point in my life, I would love to lose some of my weight, of course, because if I lose all my weight, then I won't be myself anymore, because I feel my face looks uh, थोड़ा सा भी recognizable, थोड़ा सा भी beautiful, is because of this chubbiness. It really enhances my personality. मैंने आपको बताया था थोड़ी देर पहले, मेरे पिक्चर, एक there is a picture of mine where I look completely unrecognizable and look extremely stupid, because just because मैंने उसमें कुछ ज़्यादा ही पतली मतलब I'm just like this, and I'm like, who the hell is this person? I don't even know her. So for that sake, of course, I'd love to retain some of it, but at some point in my life, I would love to, maybe do some thoda sa exercises and get into a certain weight, not for anybody but for myself. That is important. आप किसी और के लिए कुछ मत ये करो, अपने लिए करो. आपको खुशी दे रही है तो करो. Eat night food, eat clean food, drink lots of water, take care of yourself, and do what makes you happy. बिकॉज एक ही तो चीज़ है आपकी ज़िंदगी में, आई फील कि जो आप अपने लिए कर सकते हो, वो है आपके हेल्थ का ख्याल रखना. आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन नेग्लिजिबल अबाउट इट, बट नाउ इज़ द टाइम, आई गेस लास्ट ईयर व्हेन एवरीबडी वाज सिटिंग एट होम, इज़ व्हेन आई एक्चुअली थॉट अबाउट इट कि नो, आई शुड नॉट बी डूइंग दिस. आई शुड एक्चुअली बी taking care of myself and my health, as well as my mental health, because that is also very, very, very important. So these are the things that you should take care of. And guys, if you're fat, don't worry. Let the people bark around you, let them, pelt stones at you. It's fine, it's okay. वो आपके साथ, आपकी ज़िंदगी में सारी ज़िंदगी आपके साथ नहीं आने वाले, वो सारी ज़िंदगी आपके पीछे नहीं आने वाले. Those are people that are there like a speck. वो बस थोड़ी देर के लिए. It will pass away. It's like a lamha, it's a moment, and it will pass away. So let them do whatever they are doing right now. If you are feeling depressed because of it, if you are feeling sad about it, know that you're not alone. There are a lot of people around the world who resonate with you. Okay, and if by any chance I could give you some amount of inspiration by my story, then I would be very happy. If I could provide you thoda sa bhi light, thoda sa bhi inspiration, thoda sa bhi positivity, then I feel that, yeah, my job is done. Then I'm so bored today, there's no internet and nothing to do probably, so I thought let's just sit down and make this video for once and for all. I would love to know your comments below, तो comment करके बताओ if you have a similar story, if you are like comfortable enough to share that, या आपने किसी और को देखा वैसे करते हुए, आपकी फैमिली में कोई है जो ऐसे गुजर रहा हो प्रॉब्लम से. If you have any suggestions, if you want to add something into what I have already said in the video, which could be beneficial for all of us including myself, then please comment below. Like करके जाओ अगर पसंद आया, subscribe करो अगर बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया, for more such videos that will be coming up. I do travel, song covers, random vlogs, musings, thoughts, and everything. Okay, so yeah, I'm a lifestyle vlogger, and I hope to meet you all soon with another interesting vlog. Hopefully a travel vlog or a song cover, anything that would make you feel good. So yeah, until then, take care of yourself, your mental health, your body, your the people around you, and just don't care what others say. At the end of the day, what do you feel? Your happiness, your joy, your peace matters, right? And yeah, that's it for today, guys. If you I hope you like it and go. बस देख कर मत जाओ, like करके जाओ. Okay, and comment करो आपको क्या पसंद आया और क्या नहीं पसंद आया, वो भी आप comment कर सकते हो. And share this with other people if you feel that this will be beneficial for them and this will help them in any possible way. Then I will be very, very glad. So that's it. Bye bye.